Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to look at chapter 1, number system and extra question. Express root 2 by root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5 with a rational denominator. So, I am not going to do the sum immediately. So, if I do the sum, it is more or less like memorizing the sum. So, what I am going to do is, first let us write the steps, how we are going to approach it. First, what is rational denominator? Something divided by a number n. It can be 1, 2 or anything. Okay, what is the step 2? We have in the denominator everything is in root 2 or root 3. That means we have to square the denominator to get a rational number, right? I put rational number. Okay. The third step is, can we apply some identity or not? Yeah, it looks like but before we apply an identity, we have to see how we can group, because there are three variables a, b and c, or x, y and z. So we have to group it only with the 2 because it is a square. So we can at best have something square, right? Then only it will give a whole number. I mean root 3 square equal to 3. So that means we have to group x, y, z into 2 sets only. So this group, how we can group is, let us look at the numbers 2, 3 and 5. So there is a good chance that 2 plus 3 can be together and 5 can be on the other side, because it can give either 5 minus 5 0, that is if you square the number, or if you multiply it will give 25, which can also give a square number. So let us group the root 2 and root 3 with root 5. Okay. So these are the 4 steps, or something like that should be your thought process before we do the sum. Okay, let us now look at the denominator. Root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5. So how we can do is, we can group into root 3 root minus root 5. Right? Then if you multiply with the same root 2 plus root 3, which is a minus b. So we have to get a minus b into a plus b. So that will give a squared minus b squared. Correct? So what we have to do is, we have to a minus b. So we have to get, this is minus sign, so we have to get a plus sign here. So root 2 plus root 3, this is a, and root 5, this is b. So we have a minus b. So we need a plus b, which is root 2 plus root 3 plus root 5. So that is equal to a squared minus b squared, or which is equal to root 2 plus root 3 square minus root 5 square. Okay, so we are able to simplify into a squared minus b squared. How did we get? We have to multiply both numerator and denominator by root 2 plus root 3 plus root 5. So let us get to the sum. The sum is root 2 divided by root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5 into root 2 plus root 3 plus root 5 divided by root 2 plus root 3 plus root 5. So let us group it. So which is equal to, this is a squared minus b squared, root 2 plus root 3 whole squared minus root 5 whole squared. Here, and the denominator is root 2 into root 2 equal to 2 plus root 2 into root 3 equal to root 6 plus root 10. Clear? Okay. So now we are getting something closer to how we can express it. So the numerator will remain the same, 2 plus root 6 plus root 10 divided by a plus b the whole squared is a squared plus b squared plus 2 into ab, 6 minus 5, which is equal to, these 2 will cancel, 2 plus 3 5 minus 5. So 2 plus root 6 plus root 10 divided by 2 root 6. So now we are getting little closer. So what we have achieved is, we replaced a lengthy expression, that is a, b and c into only one variable, which is, let us call it as a. So now let us multiply both by root 6 by root 6, so which is equal to 2 root 6 plus 6 plus root 60 divided by 2 into 6, so which is equal to 2 root 6 plus 6 plus divided by 12. Okay, this is almost right. Maybe we can little simplify further. How we can do is, root 60 we can multiply 4 into 15, because 4 is a square number. That is, it is 4's root is 2. So 2 into root 6 plus 6 plus 15 into 4, or we can write as 2 root 15, okay, divided by 12. So if you divide everything by 2, root 6 plus 3 plus root 5 divided by 12. So this is the answer. Yeah, this is very lengthy and complicated, but so that is the reason I said, if I solve the sum just like that, starting from this point, you multiply both with root 2 plus root 3 plus root 5, I think it is something memorizing a sum. That is the reason I explained the approach or the steps, why we are doing it. Basically, we are find out the rational of the sum to get a rational denominator. Okay. So the rational is, let us convert the denominator into a whole number. For that we have to square, then we have to group it in such a way that we can make 3 variables into 2 variables, because x, y, z. So we are making 2 variables. Root 2 and root 3 is one variable, root 5 is another variable, so that we can apply an identity of a plus b the whole squared or a squared plus b squared. Okay. So please try to do it on your own. This is quite difficult sum. Any questions, please leave it in the comment section. Thank you.